Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, children. Chapter 3 Data Handling. Exercise number 3.2. We will solve question number 1, 2, and 4. Question number 1. The scores in mathematics test out of 25 for 50 students is as follows: 19, 25, 23, 29, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12, and 20. Find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? First we need to find out the mode and then the median. And after that we have to give the conclusion, are they same or not. Solution. So in the solution what we have to do first? We have to arrange all these numbers in the ascending order. Ascending order means from small to big. Here the numbers are arranged. So what is mode? According to the definition of the mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently. This most repeated number is called the mode. Clearly 20 occurs maximum number of times. 20 here, 20 here, 20 here, 20 here. So how many times? 4 times it occurs. So what is the mode? Hence the mode of the given score is 20. What is the mode? Mode is 20. Now median. What is median? The definition of the median is the value of the middlemost observation is called the median of the data. Okay, here what is n? N is 15. What is this 15? 15 are the number of students. You see this score is of how many numbers? 15 numbers. So n is equals to 15, which is odd. When n is the number of students, median is equal to value of n plus 1 divided by 2. Number of observation is equals to 15 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equals to 16 divided by 2, which is equals to 8. So 8th observation is 20. So we have to take the 8th observation, which is equals to 20. Median is equals to 20. So what is the answer for the mode? 20. Median also 20. So here what we can conclude? Here are they same? Yes, they are same. Mode and median are same. Yes, mode and median values are same. You can give the conclusion. See, if you take the numbers here, middlemost is the middlemost number is the median. And what is mode? Mode is the most repeated number is called the mode, or the number which is occurring frequently. Or you can say the number which occurs maximum number of times is called the mode. Hope it is clear to you, children. Question number 2. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows: 15, 120, 50, 100, 8, 10, 15, 8, 10 and 15. So we need to find out what? Mean, median and mode of this data. So are the three same? After that we have to give the conclusion, mean, median and mode are same or not. So first thing what you have to do in the solution, arrange the number of scored in cricket match by 11 players in an ascending order. We get. So here start the solution. Here is the solution started. So now this is the numbers arranged in the ascending order from small to big. What is the definition for the mean? Mean of the given data is the sum of all the observation by total number of observation. This is the formula for the mean also. So now add all this, sum is plus. We are adding all the observation, all the runs made by the cricketers, divided by how many numbers? That is 11 players, which is equals to 39. 429 divided by 11 will give you 39. So what is the answer for the mean? Mean we got it as 39. Now the definition for the mode. Mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently. In the previous question also we have discussed this one. Most frequently occur number is called the mode. So which number is occurring here maximum number of times? Here 1, 2, 3. Which number is repeating? 15. So what is the mode? Mode is clearly 15 occur maximum number of times. Hence the mode of the given score is 15. Now the next comes the median. What is median? The value of the middlemost observation is called the median of the data. So here n is equals to what? N is the number of players, which is equals to 11. Again it is an odd number. So the formula for which is odd, where n is the number of players. So median is equals to value of n plus 1 divided by 2. Observation. N plus 1 is, n is the number of players, plus 1 divided by 2. When you are getting n is odd, you have to apply this formula. Suppose if n is even, you can take n by 2 divided, n by 2 only, n by 2 observation. Now, which is equals to 11 plus 1 divided by 2, 12 divided by 2 is equals to 6. So, what is this 6? 6 is the value for the median. 6 is the value for the median. Now, we got what? Mode is equals to, mean is equals to 39, mode is equals to 15 and median is equals to 6. Are they same? No, they are not same. So, you have to give the conclusion, are the three same? Means they are no, these three are not same. So, what three we are discussing about? Mean, mode and median are not same. All the observations are different. Hope it is clear to you, children. Question number 4. Find the mode and median of the data. 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13 and 12. Solution. Arranging the data in an ascending order. We get, if we arrange the data in the ascending order, we obtain these numbers. Mode. What is mode? According to the definition of the mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently. Clearly, which number is 14 occur maximum number of times. So, hence the mode of the given data is 14. Now, coming for the median. What is the median? Median is that the value of the middlemost observation is called the median of the data. Now, here n is equals to 9, which is odd, where n is the number of the students. What is n? N is equals to 9. 9 is number of the students. Median is equals to value of n plus 1 by 2. That is 9 plus 1 by 2 we have to take of the observation. So 1 by 2, 9 plus 1, which is equals to 10. 10 by 2, 10 by 2 is equals to 5. Then the value of the fifth term is equals to 14. And we got it as median value is the fifth term, fifth observation. So then the value of the fifth term, that is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. So this is the fifth term. Fifth is the middlemost term. This is called the median. So what is median? Median is equals to 14. The fifth term. Then the value of the fifth term is equals to 14. Hence the median is 14. So the value we obtained for the median is equals to 14 and the mode is equals to 14. Both are same. Hope it is clear to you.